Hi guys, long time no see. It's been quite a long time since I've done a cooking tutorial, but today we're not going to be really cooking, we're going to be blending, because I'm going to show you how to make strawberry-infused almond milk. And this is vegan, vegetarian. If you're somebody who does not want to consume dairy, this is one of the best options available to you, is to make your own almond milk. It's pretty easy to do. There's a lot of different types of recipes for almond milk to give it different tastes, give it different flavors, give it different texture, but this is personally my favorite way to make almond milk. This is the way that I was taught, and it seems like a lot of recipe books also follow the same technique, but again, this is strawberry infused, so it's a little bit different than your typical just plain almond milk, and it is really easy, and it's really healthy for you. Now, the cool thing about the almond milk that we're making today is that this is going to be used in my next recipe video on how to make a super powerful protein shake that is delicious, but that utilizes our almond milk that we're going to be making today. And trust me, when I say it's easy, it really is easy. So let's get blending and get our taste buds salivating. So right off the bat, we're going to be using 2 to 3 honey pitted dates. You can use more if you want it to be sweeter. We're going to use some vanilla extract and 1 cup of raw almonds that we're going to soak in cold water for about 4 to 6 hours. You can also boil them for about 1 hour to speed up the process. Now, once the almonds are soaked, we're going to drain them and then use filtered water. We're going to be using 5 cups of filtered water. At this point, it really depends. Do you want it thicker or do you want it thinner? At this point, the less filtered water you use will make it thicker. The more filtered water you use will make it thinner. So depending on how you want your almond milk, if you want it really thin and crisp, or if you want it thicker and more creamier, use less water. We're going to put in our dates, 5 cups of filtered water. Thank you, Mara, for chewing my teaspoons, but we're going to be then using 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. Once blended, we're going to strain it with a strain cloth, as you can see here. We've got to separate all the pulp from the actual almond milk itself. And then left over, you're going to have this type of pulp. Don't throw this away. You can eat this. You can use it in baking. It's really good for baking or making in pies or any sort of baking stuff. This is highly recommended to use. This is the finished product. As you can see, that light tint of red from the strawberries. We got my bamboo straws, as I recently completely got rid of all plastic straws, and I no longer use plastic straws. Perfect. It's way better than the store-bought stuff. It's cheaper. So I'm going to throw this in the refrigerator and let this chill for about the whole night. And then tomorrow morning I'm going to use this in my next tutorial. So now you know how to make really easy, simple, tasty, strawberry-infused almond milk. And if you're somebody trying to get off of using milk altogether, I would highly suggest trying to make a glass of this yourself. Use that pulp for baking. It really makes baking goods really tasty. Don't throw it away. Don't put things to waste. Use everything effectively as much as you can. That's my life motto. And if you really like this video, leave a comment down below telling me any suggestions or future type of videos you'd like to see in regards to making stuff.